On July 16, 2024, Governor Kathy Hochul declared a state of emergency for New York City, Long Island, and the Hudson Valley due to unprecedented rainfall leading to severe flash flooding. This extreme weather event resulted in more than 6 inches of rainfall in some areas, with peak rainfall rates reaching 3 inches per hour. Such heavy rainfall overwhelmed the drainage systems, causing significant flooding on roads and in neighborhoods. Governor Hochul's declaration aims to ensure a coordinated and effective response to the flooding. The New York State Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Services, DHS, has activated the State Emergency Operations Center to monitor the situation in real time and coordinate necessary responses with local governments. Additionally, the State Office of Fire Prevention and Control has deployed flood rescue teams to the most affected areas, including Nassau and Westchester counties, to assist with emergency evacuations and rescue operations. The extreme weather has caused substantial disruptions to transportation. The New York State Department of Transportation, crews are actively clearing debris from roads and monitoring flood conditions. Several major roads in the Hudson Valley, such as the Bronx River Parkway and the Sawmill River Parkway, have been closed due to flooding. Faced severe thunderstorms with the potential for tornadoes, resulting in widespread damage and dangerous conditions across many regions. The National Weather Service issued multiple alerts, including flood watches and warnings, to warn residents of the impending hazards. Widespread flooding and power outages. Heavy rainfall caused flash flooding in various areas, with major road closures in the Hudson Valley and parts of Long Island. Over 170,000 customers, primarily in upstate New York, experienced power outages due to the storms. Government Response Emergency Operations Activation. The New York State Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Services activated the State Emergency Operations Center to monitor storm conditions in real time and coordinate the state's response efforts.